The mystery of the strongest fortress in the fruit world, the surprising secret of mango seeds. We all love mangoes. Their sweet taste, their fragrant aroma, their soft flesh. But have you ever stopped to notice the secret keeper amidst all that deliciousness? With the help of a microscope, we can see that this is the inner seed coat, testa. Look at the first few minutes of the video. The seeds look plain, ordinary, even a bit slippery, like small, helpless stones. But this is only the initial disguise. What we think of as seeds are actually just the outer layer. And beneath this simple appearance lies a brilliant evolutionary design. A strong fortress ready to protect the most precious treasures. Today, we will uncover its secrets, layer by layer. Look at how it split in the first minute. Even with a machete, this fortress was nearly immovable, and it took repeated cuttings before it could be fully broken open. The yellow part you see is the hard seed, or outer shell. The hard seed still has mango flesh fibers attached. Why are the seeds so hard? The answer isn't on the outside, but in their molecular structure. This hard shell, called the endocarp, is not just ordinary wood. It is a super dense weave of cellulose and lignin fibers, specially designed by nature over millions of years. Imagine a knight's armor or armor. Its sole purpose is defense. It can withstand the bites of hungry animals, the pressure of tons in the stomachs of large animals. From fungal attacks in the soil, and from prolonged drought. And this is the true purpose of the journey. Mangoes in the wild depend on animals to disperse their seeds. What you see here is the inner seed coat, testa, which is two colors, white and gray. The white is the original color, while the gray is a color that changes from white due to the effect of the light from the microscope. Microscope light sources, particularly high-power halogen or LED lamps, emit significant heat, infrared energy. This heat is directly absorbed by the thin, dark surface of the testa, causing the color change. If you look closely, you can see for yourself how the color change from white to gray occurs very quickly. And the seed coat testa is curved because this curvature is a direct consequence of the dehydration and is an example of mechanical instability. The sweet fruit is the bait, and the hard seeds are the ticket. When an animal eats them, the seeds pass safely through its digestive system, protected by this fortress, to begin a new life far away. Complete with the carrier's natural fertilizer. This is a very clever collaboration, but let's say we succeed. We manage to penetrate the outermost fortress. What do we find? A thin layer like ancient parchment. This is the actual seed coat, testa, the final protective membrane. And when we open it, there it is, the treasure. The large white area seen in the opening minutes of this video is the baby tree's food reserve. It's like a long journey supply. And hidden in one corner of it is a remarkable little dot, an embryo. This is the future giant mango tree that will one day bear hundreds of fruits. All the strength, all the struggle to break open the shell, it was all just to protect this tiny life. It's truly amazing, isn't it? Then the big question arises, if it's so hard for us to open it, how can this little sapling possibly emerge? This is truly a miracle. In nature, even a whole mango seed is planted by the mother tree, or by an animal carrying it. Then it waits for the right signals. Soil moisture, warm temperatures, and time. Slowly, water seeps through the tiny pores in the fortress. The water awakens the embryo from its deep sleep. It begins to grow, absorbing nutrients from its food reserves, and it begins to push. With an unstoppable life force, pressure from within began to break apart the unbreakable fortress from without. It didn't cut or split, but caused it to break naturally at its weakest point. This is a moment of life's triumph over matter. So, the next time you hold a mango seed, take a second look. It's not trash. It's a story. A story of protection, journey, patience, and perseverance. A story where the tenderness of an embryo is protected by deliberately created hardness. Nature teaches that the strongest thing in the world is not the hardest, but the most adaptable survive and ultimately thrive, overcoming all obstacles. Have you ever tried planting a mango seed? Or have you had a funny experience trying to split one? Tell us about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because we'll continue to uncover amazing everyday science mysteries. See you on the next adventure.